3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。強颱風摩羯已經增強為超強颱風，喺午夜12點，摩羯集結喺香港東南大約430公里，即喺北緯19.2度、東經116.6度附近。預料向西移動時速大約10公里，橫過南海北部並繼續增強。過去幾個鐘頭，摩羯穩定咁向偏西方向移動並繼續增強，與其相關嘅外圍雨帶正影響廣東東部沿岸海域。本港普遍地區將逐漸吹東至東北強風，離岸同高地間中吹強風。3號強風信號會至少維持至今日正午12點。如果摩羯按照現時預測路徑移動同繼續增強，預料今日稍後本港嘅風力將進一步上升。天文台有可能需要喺今日下晝至晚上改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號，海面又會有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，雲南島錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時46公里，最高陣風超過每小時51公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. Severe Typhoon Yagi has intensified into a super typhoon. At midnight, Yagi was estimated to be about 430 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.2 degrees north, 116.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west at about 10 kilometers per hour across the northern part of the South China Sea and continue to intensify. In the past few hours, Yagi tracked westwards steadily and continued to intensify. Its associated outer rain bands are affecting the coastal waters of eastern Guangdong. Strong east to northeasterlies will generally prevail over the territory gradually, with occasional gale winds offshore and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon today. If Yagi moves according to the present forecast track and continues to intensify, local winds are expected to further strengthen later today. The observatory may need to issue higher tropical cyclone warning signals between today afternoon and tonight. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglon Island was 46 km per hour, with maximum gust exceeding 51 km per hour.